Citation, ladies and gentlemen, this is Ronnie, and today we're doing a Netflix reaction called White Noises Official Teaser, Netflix. So let's get a chance to see this and see how this goes. So without further ado, let's do this.
They don't look scared in the Crown Victoria. No, they're laughing.
These guys aren't laughing.
Where?
In the country square.
What does it matter what they're doing in other cars?
I want to know how scared I should be.
Oh, okay, Adam Driver, okay.
May the days be aimless. Let the seasons drift. Do not advance the action according to a plan.
Interesting. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that is White Noise Official Teaser trailer, Netflix. You guys should hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, share this video, leave in the comments, tell me what you think of this trailer, and do you like it, do you hate it? Let me know in the comments, and I'll make sure to continue making more reaction videos. So you guys should take care, stay safe, and stay out of trouble.